A strong company is built over time, through people, values, and commitment. At Haplast, we started with a simple goal: to produce plastic products with honesty and quality. With limited resources but strong determination, the first generation built a solid foundation. Today, Haplast operates with modern factories and standardized production processes. We invest in technology, skilled people, and strict quality control. Our products are trusted by partners in both local and international markets. Looking forward, Haplast is committed to sustainability. We focus on smarter materials, efficient production, and circular economy solutions. The third generation leads with innovation and responsibility for the future. What we build is not only plastic products. We build trust. We build responsibility. We build something that lasts beyond generations. From those who started with a simple dream to those who continue with innovation and care, Haplast moves forward for people, for partners, and for a more sustainable future.